Hey everyone, it is Canada Day. Today I'm doing a bloom and I've got these colors. They're all TLP colors. I'm gonna give it a try. That's sapphire, or that's pinwheel. I've got sapphire. I've got tail feather. I've got submarine, horizon, and maraschino. So I already did one bloom and I didn't like the order I had the paints in. So I'm gonna try it again. Just didn't look good to me, so the pouring medium I'm using today is PPG Kitchen Bath and Trim Semi-Gloss Ultra Deep Base. 4 parts house paint to 1 part Josanya. That's my pouring medium. And then I just add it to my paints and just keep adding it. I don't really measure. I just keep adding it and then adjusting it as I go. If it ends up too thick, I add a little bit of water. My cell activators, white and black, Amsterdam lamp black and titanium white. I use 1 part FLOETROL, American FLOETROL, 1 part ZINSSER latex extender. It's similar to FLOETROL, a different make, but it's for house paint. I use about 1 part of my paints to 2 parts of the mix, the Flow and Zin mix. This is my black, this is my white. Consistency. Oops. Consistency. A little thick. Whoops. A little thick. But that's that. My cell activator. Okay. My base paint is white, and it is Glidden Speed Pro latex paint. Works really well. I'm using a little wooden maple leaf today. I just have to make sure I cover all the edges. Okay. Okay, let's give this another try. I'm starting with tail feather. I'm going to use less of the darker colors and more of the lighter colors. See how that turns out. This one is submarine. And I've got horizon. This is Maraschino. Then I've got Sapphire. And I've got the Pinwheel. Okay, let's give this another try. If it fails, I'm going to have to try something else. Giving my cell activators a good stir before I use them. Okay, give this a try. Let's see. Oh. All right. Oh, I'm already dizzy. I like this better than the last one I did. Okay, I'm not going to blow anymore. I'm just going to let the black, and usually it gets a little bit smaller. Okay, it's time to spin. Okay. All right, I'm going to give it another spin. Just gotta make sure I cover all the edges. All the corners, I mean. All of the corners, yep. They're all done. Okay, I don't mind this at all. I like this part here. I like the orange coming through. I'm not fussy on them what I did in the middle. So I'm going to fix it. I hope. I hope. Okay. Okay. Give it another spin. Okay, I think that looks good. Just gonna see if it's if it moves at all. It's not really. It's moving a tiny bit at the middle, so I'm gonna give it one more spin. Just getting rid of any air bubbles. Just by putting my skewer in the middle, usually takes it away. Brings in the paint from around the outside and into it, and usually disappears, but sometimes it doesn't. I think I like it. I think I like it just like it is. It looks pretty. I love these colors here. So this order that I did is fine. Not much of the yellow show through, just a little bit up here, but mostly the purple pinwheel and the oranges. Okay, so it's hard to tell that it's a maple leaf now. I'm just going to bring it down for a close-up. Pretty good for just American FLOETROL and ZINSSER. Pretty good cells. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to lift it up so you can see that it's a maple leaf. Oh dear, I don't have nowhere to... I think I'm going to just... What should I do? Add that in there. I'm just looking for things that I don't like in here, and I'm gonna try and fix them. That was a mistake. Okay, better stop touching it. Okay. Here's my maple leaf. I will let it dry and show you at the end the dried result. I'm back with the dried result. It dried pretty good. I didn't get any cracking. I'll show you a close-up. Okay, so I kind of wish I left the middle and didn't modify it like that. If I would have just left it, it would have closed in eventually. But oh well, next time. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and have a great day. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.